Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the primary topic to your community, which will allow people to find your community more easily. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. After that, you should search for your community, so tap on your username, and then you should tap on profile. Here you should click on your username at the top in the left side of the screen, and then you should tap on your community. Here you can select the community topics in the right side in the About Community section, and tap on the Add the Primary Topic button. Here you can find these preset options. You have a bunch of options here, so just tap on the relevant one, and you can add subtopics as well. And then if you are done, click on the Save button to save these community topics. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.